The Ryan Klesh Outstanding Public Interest Legal Worker Award honors an individual who captures the essence of Ryan's selflessness, work ethic, and humor in seeking justice for our low-income neighbors, family, and friends. This award is being given posthumously to Rhonda Van Pembrook, who passed away in November 2024. In her 30-plus year career at Legal Action of Wisconsin, Rhonda used her intellect, determination, and warmth to help people obtain and retain public benefits to meet their basic needs for food, shelter, childcare, and health care. Rhonda's legendary work ethic and genuine appreciation of others made her not just an indispensable employee, but a good friend and a colleague to all who knew her. Please join me in honoring Ms. Van Pembrook. Accepting the award on Rhonda's behalf is Attorney Pat DeLacio, a staff attorney at Legal Action of Wisconsin.
So I told myself I wasn't going to cry, but I just might. As an attorney at Legal Action, where I've since retired, for over 30 years I worked with Rhonda. She was always next to me and my right hand. Rhonda came to Legal Action fresh out of college in 1990, and it wasn't until I cleaned out her desk and found her letter offering her the job that I remembered how young she was. And she came to us with a sense of justice and fairness and an unshakable belief in the worth of every human being, regardless of their circumstances. This enabled Rhonda to quickly become a tireless advocate for everyone who came to seek help, for the unhoused, people with disabilities, immigrants, and all others marginalized by society. Rhonda worked beside them, securing the benefits and supports they needed. She was tenacious, and she was armed with good sense and judgment and well-respected in the community. Rhonda was an incredibly upbeat and positive person. Rhonda also treated everyone who came into the office with incredible respect and the dignity that we all deserve, something that I find is often rare. As one client said, "You are a good and understanding person, an extraordinary human being." In addition to working at Legal Action, Rhonda was active in her community, working with MICAH, Milwaukee Inner-City Congregations Allied for Hope, and true to her roots as a farm girl from Florence, Wisconsin, with community farmers. There is a saying ascribed to an Aboriginal activist that I'd like to share with you that I think embodies Rhonda's life. It goes, "If you have come to help me, you are wasting your time. But if you have come to walk beside me, but if you understand that, I'm sorry, but if you have come because your liberation is bound up with mine, then walk beside me, and we will walk together." And I think Rhonda totally understood this. We weren't there to help people, but to secure liberation and justice and fairness for everyone. With Rhonda's passing, we have lost a tireless and true advocate. On behalf of Rhonda, wherever her spirit might be, her family, who unfortunately could not be here today, and her many friends, some of whom are here, I want to thank you for this overdue and well-deserved recognition.